my God!
Yeah, he's definitely been living here.
There's a turtle right there. Let's go, Flipper!
Pick your snack. You think Bigfoot took it for real?
Let's go check his cave. Bigfoot's here, I'm telling you!
Is that a Bigfoot track?
Oh my God, it is!
What's going on, guys? My name is Chase.
My name is Knox.
And we got a special package from Nitto, the same people that make the tires for Chomper. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think's in it? Any idea?
$1,000.
Oh, I wish. Now, you said something about dropping it off a crane to open it. Is that how we should do it?
No, we don't have a crane.
We don't?
We can drop it off the truck, or we can run over it with the tires.
It's been like a week we've been wanting to do this, right?
Yeah.
Finally happening. Pretty cool. Nitto packing.
Hey, a walkie-talkie.
A real walkie-talkie.
Yeah.
Full blown.
Yeah.
Check them out.
Yeah. Let's unbox mine. What are these?
What are those? I think those are like belt clips, maybe?
Yeah,
So you can hook it on.
Those are your belt clips.
Yeah, so you can hook them on.
Yeah. The charger,
Yep.
the walkie-talkie, and this.
There you go. Boom. I think we got to charge them.
Hello.
So let's go put them on charge, and how about you pick a truck, whichever one of our trucks, and we'll go get a snack real quick, and then come back and they should be charged. Boom. Let's roll. All right, do you want to take Larry?
No.
Are we going to take Chomper? I know what we can take.
What?
Grandpa's truck. Get in there. You're driving. Do you know how to drive?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool.
There's not.
Wait a minute. This thing's blown up.
Yeah, we can try this.
So do you want to take the red diesel that has an exhaust tip that's bigger than your head?
Yeah. Fire this baby up. DVD player right here.
There is DVD players. Yeah, we don't have any movies. All right, you ready to head to the gas station?
Yeah.
What you gonna get?
It's a surprise.
All right, let's go find out.
There's a turtle right there.
We were literally just pulling down the driveway and Knox spotted a turtle. Let's check him out. Go over there and check him out. It's a water turtle. Just don't get too close. Whoa, look at his big nails.
That's because he's a water turtle.
Should we help him across the road?
Huh?
We're gonna help him across the road?
Yeah.
He's not a happy camper.
No, he's definitely going to scratch us with his claws.
Yeah, he's trying to chomp me. All right, you ready to let him run?
Yeah. I see him running into the water.
Go for it, little dude.
Yeah, go for it. Get for it!
There he goes.
He's probably going to his family.
Yep, he's gone.
This Josh Clifford.
You gotta make your mind up.
I want Clifford.
This is Clifford?
Yes.
Really? Clifford the big red diesel? Pick your snack. Thought you were gonna get chocolate or something. Blue? Nice.
That's America.
Yeah. See how sour this is. Is it good? Is it sour? A lot or just a little? A lot? All right, you ready to show them why we brought the red truck?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Charged. Charged.
Let's see if mine turns on. Oh yeah, they work. Let's go set them up. Let's go out here. I'm gonna give you the GoPro. You're gonna go hide and then tell me to come try to find you.
Okay. Come and get me.
He's not. Only his rocket launcher.
Sorry, Dad, you can never find me.
Well, you're not on the barn buggy, so that only leaves one place. Oh, there's a lizard. What's up, little lizard? I'm about to catch knocks. There we go. Alright. I bet he's in Papa's truck. Let's see if we can get him. He's not in the back. That must mean he's inside. He's not in there. There he is! Gotcha!
No, you.
You were hiding in the very back.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna go hide and give you hints.
Okay, what up, guys? My dad's going high and I have my walkie-talkie.
No peeking.
Okay. Are you ready?
No, not yet. I'm still walking. But don't.
We have these options. Larry or the red truck.
Neither.
Okay, I'll give you some more options. The basement or the in the barn buggy.
I'm gonna hide somewhere. You'll never find me, but it's gonna be outside, okay?
I'm gonna track you. I'm gonna track my dad. Are you ready?
All right, I'm ready.
Give me some hints.
The hint is I can see all over. I think we've been spotted.
I got you.
You got me. That didn't take any time. What in the world?
Maybe Bigfoot must have took it.
Your arrowhead fell off. You think Bigfoot took it for real?
Let's go check his cave.
Okay, let's go check Bigfoot's cave.
Bigfoot's here, I'm telling you!
All right, I'm on the way.
I'm hiding right now.
So he's not here. Just an empty cave.
Yes, just
It's bigger than you.
well, he has two grandbabies and one he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6 grandbabies.
Grandbabies.
Yeah.
That's where they sleep?
You want to see something?
Oh my gosh. Bigfoot's gonna trip out. He knows you're goofing all over his daggum cave.
Yeah.
Wonder if he's in the barn right there.
This one?
Yeah. Have you ever looked in there? I bet that's where he stays during the day.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can see him through this crowd. Oh my gosh.
What?
I think I saw him. Let's go to the front door. Is that a Bigfoot track?
Oh my God, it is.
Holy moly. Alright, I'm gonna open it up. You go and look.
Okay.
If he attacks you, close the door so he can't get me, right?
Okay. What?
Go, 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 go!
No sign of him.
Sign of Bigfoot? Ooh, it's creepy in here. Oh yeah, he's dead. Oh man.
Oh my God.
Yeah, he's definitely been living here.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here before he gets back. Dude, look at that tree. I bet that's gotta be Bigfoot's chair. Go sit on that thing. Oh yeah, Bigfoot definitely uses that as a chair.
Oh my God, he's actually really real.
You think he put that stick up there?
Yeah, let's pull it down. Maybe he
Don't let it fall on you. Oh,
just breaks into pieces.
dang. Yeah, I guess we do want to have a greeting gift, huh? She's probably a little grumpy on an empty stomach. All right, let's go.
I'll jump over it.
All right. Don't let him grab you if he's down here. Ugh, it smells like a wet Bigfoot out here.
Yeah.
You smell that? Gross.
Gross.
It's like a wet dog, but worse.
Oh, yeah.
Dang, dude, Bigfoot snatched you up. That was rough. You okay?
He made that for me to fall in.
That was a Bigfoot trap.
Yeah. So he could trap me.
Dang, bro.
And probably hurt my ankle.
Nice. We made it. All right, I think that's enough Bigfoot hunting for the day, right?
Yeah.
Let's go get some drinks.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you on the next Bigfoot video.